Hi guys, Deepak here. So in this video, we'll see how we can delete a repository, and we will also see few of the commit commands. So let's say if I want to delete this repository, click on the repository, go to the settings, and here if you scroll down, you'll have something called danger section. Here you'll have delete this repository. So let's say it'll ask us to enter again the repository name. So it'll ask for password, confirm. That's all. Your repository got deleted. So this is how you need to delete a repository. Now let's see a few of the commit commands. Go to the, let's open a command prompt and navigate to the path. The first command is, so let's say if you wanted to see the commits. So what is the thing? Git show. Git show will display you the recent command, recent commit. Okay. So what happened to this commit and which code has been added. So all these you can see by using a command called git show. So this is the line that has been added in the recent commit. So the recent commit would be shown with the code by using a simple command called git show. So let me type git log hyphen hyphen one line. So we'll get all the commits. So till now we had 5 commits, we got it. So let's say if you want us to see information of a specific commit. So let's say I wanted to see information of this commit. So I can copy this commit ID, git show, followed by the commit ID. And so we'll get the commit information of this commit. So this is the line that has been added in that commit. Okay. So let's say if you wanted to see the display the information about the recent commit, you also have something called head command. Git show head. As soon as you type this, you will get the information of the recent commit. So this is the thing that is being added, and here is the branch. The branch is master. So all that information, and this is the commit message, all that. Let's say if you wanted to see the commit before 2 commits, what exactly happened? 2 commits before what exactly happened you wanted to see. So you have a command called git show head followed by the symbol. So it will display 2 commits before what happened. Before 2 commits, what exactly happened. So this is what we had written added main method in the login page. So here we have added this. So 2 commits before this has been added. So let's say if you wanted to see the commit of a specific page, what exactly if you wanted to see the code in that page. So we have here login page, right? So let me go here, GitHub source pages. So I wanted to see this code. So for that, git show head followed by a colon, 2 dots, source, the complete path, pages, login, login page dot java. So this is the path I have given. Source pages login page dot java. Now if I hit enter, I'll get the code in the command line as well. So this is the code present in that file. So this is how you can see the code as well in the command line rather than opening, going to the GitHub. You can do all that in the command prompt as well. So these are the few of the commits that we generally use in a. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.